Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a Greek classic, pork with artichokes avgolemono. Let's get started. In a large pot over medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1.5-inch cubes of pork pieces. Now generously salt and pepper the meat. Once the meat is browned, add 1 chopped onion. Cook them until they're translucent and add fresh or frozen artichokes and 3 cups of veggie or chicken broth. Now cover the pot and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. In the meantime, beat 2 eggs. Add the juice of 2 to 3 lemons and mix well. Now add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix. Add 1/4 cup of fresh dill. And now it's time to temper the egg mixture by ladling in the hot broth. Once the eggs have been tempered, pour the mixture into the pot. Try not to mix with a spoon. Swirl the pot briskly instead. Season if needed, and it's done. Simple, fast, and absolutely delicious. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a Tuesday or Wednesday upload. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.